Of course, I didn't have a recording. So I guess we're doing the New Hampshire side of the AMMONOOSUC turkey run, the whole thing. I didn't realize that. I would have brought more battery, but we'll see how long this lasts with Teddy and Ed. Yeah, who knows? Should be fun. That's where we're going?
Bad is way left.
8.3 for meds. This stuff's hard to film because there's so much of it.
Yeah.
So it's hard to just have a 14-minute video and you got to pick out the 10-second clip that makes sense.
Yep.
And it's like, fuck, I don't want to sit and watch all of it because it's boring. And then the stuff that you think you did that looked cool, you watch on video, you're like, oh, well. Oh boy. Watch out for that. I don't know if he wasn't in front of me, I might have fucking tossed that one. Always feels so illegal. I'll never get used to having a registered motorcycle. Dirt bike. Oh shit! You okay? What'd you hit?
I was off in the brush.
Nice. Good?
Yeah. Now we gotta catch up to Ed.
Oh boy.
Imagine that I got us lost.
I saw you guys go straight and I'm like, oh, well, you didn't look at the root piece.
Yeah, and then I ran into a big rock and
Ate shit.
hid myself under the bike.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A little bit of trail maintenance.
Why don't you guys see if you can pull that over there?
It's on.
Perfect. That's fine. Don't look down at the fucking root sheet.
Oh, that's a good bail.
Oh no! That's my fault! You alright?
Yeah.
That's my fault.
Oh, you're good.
I wanted you in front so I could get more footage, but you could just keep doing that shit and...
Oh, I love elbow pads, but my throttle is now locked.
Uh-oh. Did your handguard bump into it?
I can live with it just moving.
What it is it smushed the plastic on the end.
Yeah. Come on, I don't have a single pack.
I found a hammer. Oh, that's close. I don't know how hard you want to hit it. I don't want to ding it all up on you.
She's pretty.
I'll let you.
Oh fuck yeah, we're back in business.
Someone left a perfectly good hammer out here.
Oh goodness.
Trail repairs.
I gotta spend less time on the ground. not a dual sport one,
No, fuck. Huh.
That used to be dirt, or at least a little bit of dirt.
Well, they had actually put some more rocks in there, but they must have all washed out. That was never that deep. That took it hard.
GoPro died like an hour ago. We finished the loop. We're just kind of on the grass section that's all single track. This is the best part to me. I don't know, but there's one pretty gnarly hill climb and Teddy didn't make it to the top, so he's taking another run at it. Oh, 2 for 2.
This is not my fucking day.
We didn't just do 80 miles.
This is true.
One more?
I've gotten up from here before.
That was attempt 2. He's gonna try it again. This is way steeper than it looks in camera. And it's loose, there's no traction, so I can't believe I made it first try. There it is. I don't know how much of that I got because I had to duck into the woods so I didn't get blasted in the face. This is so steep. Yeah. That's it, calling it a day.
We can go to the lookout.
Oh, I'm good if you're good. I'm whooped.
Dude, I got my legs stuck in between here.
I see your feet flailing.
Oh yeah. I ran out of talent.
Made it back. The total of 82 miles, exactly. We didn't do all the hard stuff. We did a lot of it. That's what I'm just going to include in this video. What we did, cool shit. I don't know. I'm tired. Till next time.